The next is the inside the building. Okay, this is the inside the building. Okay, this portion has no roof and the other portion has already roof. Okay. Okay, this is the inside the building. This is inside the building. Okay, I will go there inside the building. Okay, this portion with roof, meaning this portion is okay. This portion has a roof. Oh, has a roof already. This area. Okay, and that area also has a roof. And this portion also, it has no roof yet. Okay. Okay, excuse me for a while. I'm okay. They put clay inside the house because they proceed to flooring. Okay, this is the other portion near the back side of the building. Okay, another portion. They have already roof. This portion has already roof. Okay. Okay, this is the stone and the clay so that they will proceed to flooring. The half portion of the building has roof already. Okay, the half portion. Okay, I will proceed. Oh, the half portion of the building has roof already. And this area is for septic tank. Okay, I will proceed to the next. I will ask the worker. Guys. Hello, guy. The happenings of the building today is the half portion of the building has a roof already. Meaning in Bisaya, katunga na ba ang naay?
Wala pa.
Katunga na ang naay atop?
1/4.
Okay. According to the worker, 1/4 has a roof. Okay. The next day they proceed. Okay, tomorrow it might complete the roof.
Kompleto hindi nga side.
The half side of the building. Okay, thank you guys.